Purchases hands down that I've ever made at HSN in my 8 years that I've been here, because it's an absolute essential. As you know, in Florida, we live in hurricane country, so we lose power quite a bit. But you could be in tornado country. You could be in the thick of winter storms. Everybody loses power at some point, and this is your peace of mind. It's called the EcoFlow Tech DELTA 2 Max Power Station, and it is the latest technology, and it's the lowest price that we've ever done. So I do hope that you pick this up today, because power is essential, right? We've got to eat, we've got to sleep, and we've got to be able to work and do our jobs, and this allows you to do all of them. So you're making two choices today. You can either get this big kahuna, the Delta 2 Max, with the solar panel. If you'd like to pick this up with the solar panel, it's $1,079.99. I highly suggest you do it. I did it because the solar panel alone is like $700, so it's worth it. Or you can pick this up without the solar panel, and it's $979.99. Either way, you are saving about $1,000 off without, and about $1,400 off if you get it with the solar panel. There are two ways that you can pay for this. So I hope you listen to this closely as well. You can spread your payments out over 5 months, because this is the President's Day sale. We give free shipping. So if you want to spread your payments out over 5 months, you are either spending a $196 on FlexPay or $216 on FlexPay. But if you want to do VIP financing, this is so affordable, where you spread your payments out over 18 months. And you can tell me if I'm right about this, Pat. If you spread your payments out, you can get this home for $54 and change without the solar panel, or with the solar panel, and I think you should do that. It's $60 right off the bat. That's wonderful, because I have been stuck like Chuck. I've said that before, where I didn't have anything that I needed. This powers 15 appliances, 99%. So first I started out, I bought the Eco River, which was smaller, and it only, powered up about 80%. This powers up 99% of your appliances and devices. So I had to upgrade. So I invite you to upgrade, because this is your refrigerator, this is your microwave, this is your oven. This is, if you have a CPAP machine, a breathing machine, it's the TV, it's the lamps. I could go on and on. 15 appliances. But Justin Hyatt, I don't want to steal your thunder. Q. I don't want to, steal your thunder. Where's the thunder? So this is our brand ambassador. There we go.
There's the thunder.
I just thought of that on the fly. I should have warned you guys. But when it's thundering and lightning, Justin, everybody at some point in life loses power, and this is a godsend. So welcome, my friend.
Thank you, thank you. You know, we did launch EcoFlow 6 years ago, but when I think about just, in the 6-year span, all the things that have happened, the hurricanes that we've experienced, I'm only just talking about us.
Sure.
And I don't want to put words in your mouth, Debbie, but I remember when we would talk about this, when we first launched EcoFlow, you said, I had friends that moved here, and the first thing I said was, you need to get an EcoFlow. And we adapt to the places that we live in that situation. Right. We live in hurricane country down here, but hurricane country isn't just Florida. It expands all through the East Coast, all through the Gulf, and then beyond. We've seen what's happening in North Carolina and Tennessee. So the idea of getting prepared is always top of mind, but how do you get prepared? EcoFlow has become the #1 power brand here at HSN for a reason, where we're not only just reliable, but because we deliver in ways that haven't been able to do before. When we think about backup power, it's always been a gas or propane generator. What I want to show you right now, when we start to bring these lights down, I'm going to come back when we're going to show you this video clip. I'm going to open the refrigerator, but while we're going through this video clip, I want you to see it, just the overall technology that's built into this. You're not getting yesteryear's battery technology, you're getting today's. You're getting the latest and greatest when it comes to that LFP battery. You have an even upgraded solar input, so you can actually have more solar, meaning faster recharge. And yeah, it's about powering up 99% of your home appliances and your whole entire home, and you can expand it. We're gonna talk about the extra batteries. We just showed you a 5-year warranty. Why? Because when we talk about having that new battery system, that means this is gonna last you a very long time. But before I even break down that even further, I wanna show you. I want you to think about what it would take right now if you lost power to take your propane generator out, your gas generator, all the maintenance that would get involved in it, and instead, how about just press one touch of a button? Now the lights turn on, the fans turn on, the microwave turns on, and then your refrigerator turns on. I didn't have to worry about pull cranks, I didn't have to worry about grabbing fuel, I didn't have to worry about grabbing oil, I didn't have to even leave the comfort of my home. I get to stay right where I'm at, inside where it's safe. The Delta 2 Max now powering up my full-size refrigerator, powering up my lights, powering up my fan, and now I can have cold food and hot food. I can have cold medicine. I can heat myself up. I can have my induction burner or my air fryer. It's not just the idea of when we think about what sustains us, it's food and water. But you know what sustains food and water these days? Power. We all need power. It's the ifs and the whens. We don't know when the power is going to go out or why it's going to go out, but we need to have an option. And EcoFlow has become the #1 option, not only here at HSN, but the #1 option in the United States. And what we're going to show you right here is the overall just technology, but information. It's telling me 19 hours right now for my light, my fan, and my refrigerator. And I can go even further than that. That's my 98%. This is gonna show me my wattage that's getting pulled right now with the refrigerator and the light and the fan. And then what I wanna do is I'm just gonna leave the refrigerator open. I'm gonna come over here to the microwave because, you know, when you're thinking about all the different options, we give you so many different options when it comes to EcoFlow. We got big, we got small, we've got all of these different types of sizes. And I know, Debbie, you were just talking about how you got the river.
I started with that.
You know, what's great is that, you know, you have the ability now to start to prioritize. You know,
Right.
when you have the smaller power stations, it's great. I can use that upstairs, I can use it downstairs.
Right.
But when you're thinking, I don't want to sit there and think, can I power that? Can I power this? Your Delta 2 Max is going to power nearly every single thing inside of your home. There are no limits now. And we were talking about the extra batteries, and I do want to just mention them really quickly. I'm going to walk over to the extra batteries because we just showed you about 20 hours, right? We just showed you the microwave. If you wanted to go ahead and go from 20 to 40 hours, that's why we also give you the ability to expand. We get to create kind of like an ecosystem. You have the extra battery where you can actually